What's the meaning of cute? Cute. Cute.
Cute. Cute. Cute is an adjective that describes something or someone who is attractive, appealing, and endearing in a charming or delightful way. The term is often used to describe babies, animals, and objects that possess a certain level of innocence and charm. Cute things are generally pleasing to the eye and evoke positive feelings in individuals. This term can also refer to behavior or actions that are playfully endearing or sweet. Overall, cute is a positive term that is synonymous with adorableness, lovability, and charm.